What's the word, YouTube, man? It's your boy Shavizzy, you know what I'm saying? And I'm back with another video. This video, man, is all about enjoying the nature. You know what I'm saying? This is a nature walk outside right now in the forest in Darien. This is Darien, Connecticut. You get what I'm saying? I'm doing this vlog. I feel like my mind needs it. You feel me? I haven't been to this park in a minute. It's been a minute. One of my videos I was in this park was actually made in this park, you know, and I felt like it's time to come back before it's spring again, because right now every tree in this park does not have leaves. You know what I'm saying? And here is right here is where it shows the name of the park. Feel me? Yeah, this is like the trail system right here, and we're just here. You feel me? I'm just here. Actually, I'm here by myself. I'm not gonna lie. You feel me? Because I felt like I could come by myself. You feel me? And take a walk. Why not? You feel what I'm saying? Like, why can't I come and take a walk at this beautiful park? You feel what I'm saying? By myself. So just walk with me. We about to go through it. It's kind of chilly, but let's just walk through the park. So here we go. You guys are on the journey with me. That person walking their dog. I thought I was gonna be the only person here. I'm not gonna lie. But this says, what does that say? Dogs are permitted and are welcome, but only on leash. So if you come into the park with your dog, make sure you have a leash. You feel me? And make sure you clean your shit up. You know what I'm saying? That lady with her dog over there walking, and I'm here walking. It's kind of chilly though, I'm not gonna lie. Like, it's a little bit chilly, but it's bearable. You feel me? Really bearable. So we walking through the hoods. As you can see that there is no leaves on the trees, because it's winter time. You know, I'm out here in a hoodie. It's not that cold though. It's, as I said, it's bearable. I'm walking through the hoods. They also have like a lake. I think this is a lake right here. I'm gonna show y'all the lake. We are going to walk down by the lake, and by the lake we walk. So I used to come here with my friends, you feel me? We come here. We used to come here, chill, relax. If you smoke, this used to be the best spot when I used to smoke. You know what I mean? I used to come here and smoke, and it used to be litty. You know what I mean? As you can see, man, the lighting is gone because I'm walking, and there's, as I said, man, it's brick city out here. You know, really chilly, but I like it. You know what I'm saying? But enough of me. I'm gonna show y'all how the park looks. You feel me? Let's turn the camera around. And this is the lake right here. So I don't get lost. I don't think I can get lost, because look, if the leaves were still on the tree, I would imagine I could, but we're on the water right now. It's early in the morning. So, you know, I imagine if this water, you could come here and fish, I think, too. If you're fishing, you come here fish. And, yeah. But I like this park. This park is pretty nice. It's a pretty chill park. You know? And we just browsing through it. Guys are walking through the park on this journey with me. In this park on this journey. Journey. Yes, sir. I know. You You guys are seeing the park, seeing the trails. The trails, look at these rocks stepping. Oh, the water over there. We're not trying to, you know what I'm saying? It's a lot of mud. So we gotta watch where we stepping at, because you know this time of year it gets a little bit muddy. A little bit muddy out in the park, man. Bro, I remember like summertime, bro. These, you can't see nothing. You see how clear it is now? Like summertime, it's all leaves, so the trees are all bloom. You know what I'm saying? That says Lake Bridges. So the trees will be all bloom, but you can't see nothing like summertime, no cap. Like this right here, bro. Because it's winter, so you know that everything. Let me show y'all what I'm talking about. It's winter time, so you know that you can't really see a lot in summer. But winter time, you see like everything. Real talk. Like it's so clear. Like the woods is so clear. So you got the, which way we going? Are we going to Lake Bridges? Or are we going to Lakeside Trail and Out Rock? So we going to the bridge. We're gonna go over to the bridge. We're gonna see what's going on. They wanted me to come out the house, so you know what we doing? We out the house with it. We out the house with it. We walking. You get what I'm saying? Make sure you hit that follow button. And we're just here vibing. Early morning walk. I needed this. I needed this walk. Needed this early morning hiking walk type beat. You know what I'm saying? Alright, God. So it says Lake Bridges is here. I remember this exact spot. Like this exact spot, bro. And look at this. You see this? This is the bridge. That's the train running past. And yeah. That's the lake right there. It's pretty windy, it's getting cold. Not gonna lie. Mad windy. Let's say. That's why. Ooh. Then I stay off. That means they don't want you to slide. Yeah, man, we out here. It's mad windy. Mad windy over here. It's windy as heck, man. No cap. No cap. We going over another bridge. You guys probably can't see me with the lighting and all, but we going over another bridge right there. Yeah, I see it. It's behind us. We about to go over there. This bridge. Another bridge right here. And there we go. We on the other side of town. You know what I'm saying? We on the other side of town, walking through this forest. Woo! Make sure you guys like the video, man. Make sure you guys comment. You get what I'm saying? And also hit that follow button, that subscribe button. You feel me? Be a part of the family, man. Be a part of the journey that we're about to go. Because we out here. We out here having fun with it. I needed this walk though, it's nice. It's at the beach. Huh. Woo, baby. Wow. I see what's going on, man. Whoa. Look at this. Get this little hill right here. Walking up this little hill. That's a seat. Oh my gosh. I remember when I came up here the first time, bro, the leaves were all on the tree and all. Now we're just hiking. It's a beautiful scenery. But imagine like in summer, bro. Summertime, it's all, the trees are all blossomed and all of that. All the leaves. That's dope. That's a dope part. Wow. This was a nice morning walk. I'm not gonna cap. Such a nice morning walk. We out here. I remember remember this exact spot. Me and my friends used to come up here. This spot right here. And we always just chill. Just sit, relax. Because the highway is right there. Y'all can see the highway right there. But you know when there's mad like leaves, you can't see the highway. You know what I'm saying? But we made it. We made it. You know what I'm saying? We out here. I'm actually on live too. This is my camera. See, I'm recording. And yeah, we out here. Early morning walk. I said I would do it. Make sure you guys go and subscribe to the YouTube channel. You know what I'm saying? And we're just walking back now. Came up here, took a breather. Now I'm gonna walk back. You know what I'm saying? I had to give y'all some content. You know, and you know what's going on. I'm gonna walk back. Y'all with me. Hope I'm not lost. I hope I'm not lost. That'll be a... I really hope I'm not lost. I'm not lost. I know where I'm at. I know where I'm at. I'm not lost. I'm not lost. Woo! You see the wind? The wind is blowing crazy, bro. The wind is blowing mad crazy. But y'all came on the walk with me. Good morning exercise. Good morning exercise in the woods, in the park, should I say. And it was nice doing this, man. I'm not gonna lie. Let me just make sure, remember what I tell y'all, man. More videos coming soon. I want y'all to hit that subscribe button. For me, be a part of it. It may be, you know what I mean, but it's something to do. So hit that subscribe button, be a part of the family. There's gonna be a lot more entertainment. This is just me in my natural habitat. You feel me? Taking morning walks, doing what I gotta do. There's nobody with me. This wasn't planned at all. Like, I just woke up and was like, you know what? I'm gonna go on a walk. I'm gonna come to this park, go on a walk, because I haven't done it in a while. Get a breather. It's a good exercise, you know. And if it was planned, there would be people with me, you know. But there's nobody with me. I did this by myself. I came out the crib by myself, you know. And I said, I'm gonna do it. So it was a good experience for me. A good walk. A good walk, walking over the bridges again. Over the bridges. Over the bridge. Like it. Now it's time to go get something to eat. Because I haven't ate all morning. It's, what time is it? 9:46. The weather is not bad either. The weather is pretty nice. I mess with it, you know. Mess with this weather. It's pretty nice. Look at the water though, man. Y'all take a view of the water. You can't swim in there though. I would not advise you to swim in that water. No bueno. You know what I'm saying? While we walking. And it's an easy part. You can't be lost. You feel me? You can't be lost. I wouldn't say you'll get lost, bro. There are signs everywhere. You know what I'm saying? Unless you are slow. That's how you get caught. But anyways, man, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, man. I hope you guys enjoy walking with me through the forest. You feel me? I don't know, y'all can see me. But I want y'all to have a wonderful day or whatever I post this. Just take care until the next vlog. Please subscribe. I love y'all. I'm out.